Here's 419 Harrison Avenue. There's on-street parking. This is a second floor apartment. It's been renovated. 3 bedrooms, 2-level unit. It's a very nice place. So you have a living room, kitchen, and you have a bedroom down here. Or this could be a dining room and that could be the living room, however you want to have set up. Or this would be a nice big bedroom here. Again, the videos make it, the sizes are deceiving, so it's actually bigger in person. Nice big closets. Fresh paint, new vinyl laminate flooring. You have electric heat in here. Coat closet. This is the kitchen. Electric range, fridge. You have a little pantry. Bathroom. New ceramic tile, a new shower surround, new toilet and vanity. And upstairs, you have 2 bedrooms upstairs. And here's a linen closet. Carpet on the steps, so it's not so loud walking up. You have 1 bedroom here and 1 bedroom here. You could fit a king size bed up here, no problem. But getting it up the steps, not 100% on that. Yeah, you could most likely fit it up there on that turn. It comes in 2 pieces. Here is just for a fire escape outside. Hopefully, there's parking in the back. You just have to walk around to get to the front. Here. And you could, same thing here. This one's big enough for a king. An extra storage closet here as well. So there's plenty of closets in the house, which is nice. All right, interested in this properties, go to our website, parasoleproperties.com, the P-A-R-A-S-O-L-E, properties, all one word, I-E-S.com. And we'll be in touch by next business day with further instructions on how to view this property after we pre-qualify you. Nice, clean, tall ceilings. Nice place. It is managed by Parasole Property Management. So that means the on-call service team, any issues whatsoever, we're here immediately to take care of it. New appliances.